Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to log in and show you how to do your clicks on the cell phone. So when you log in, it will open up an ad that you don't have to view this ad. You just press back, one space back, and then it will take you to your dashboard. And you will see here that this is your available balance, your active campaigns, and then what is in your earned wallets already, that is in holding, or what has been which we have completed already, and then the clicks left for today, then what you have earned so far. So I have, this is my third ad campaign already. So this one was the first one that was on the 9th of June, the first one, and then this one completed on the 27th. I took this one out with the funds generated in the first campaign. So now I'm on the last one, on the third one, and there's 3 days that's still left for the second one that I completed. But this one, that one was taken out on the 22nd of June. Right, so it completed its 12 to 12 out of 12 days. Now it's 3 days left for the holding, for the 7-day holdings, and you can see there it already earned 101. Right, so this is the third one I'm busy with now. There's still 6 clicks outstanding, 2 days, so it's today. Now we're going to go to, you can scroll to the right, you see there's click ads there, you can press there, or you can go to the 3 lines at the top and click ads on that one there. It will take you to the same page, and then you just scroll down, you will see your ads here, you're going to view the ad, scroll down and open. You can notice it opens in a new tab here at the bottom. So you just leave it open, and then when you return to the other one, it will give you a timer. You can see there's the timer at the top, it's counting down. So it's your choice if you want to view these or subscribe to these things that they advertise you. You don't have to do that. You just need to view that, and then after that seconds is completed, you confirm and you earn. So it's $2.83 for the day already, and you still have 2 clicks left on level 2. Right, so then you go to the next one, and it also scrolls down, open the ad, just wait for it to open. So these are all different platforms that are advertising on this clickbait page. So you can even advertise your own platforms here as well. And then go, you'll see the timer, there's 3, 2, 1, and then you just confirm and earn again. Right, so then there's just the last one that we need to complete for today, an open ad. Alright, so this is another platform that is advertising here. So as I say, you don't have to join these platforms, it's totally optional. You just need to complete your clicks. And that is how easy it is each and every day for 12 days, and then you wait for 7 days for your funds to be released. And that is it. Many people ask me, is it really worth it to start on level 1? If you start on level 1, you're just going to do about 5 to 6 cycles, then you'll have enough funds, if you don't add extra funds, to upgrade with those funds to level 2. And then from level 2 you upgrade again, and it's just going to take some time. That's just a waiting game, that's all. But this is literally how simple it is. You can see we completed for the day. And then you can close these tabs. You don't have to keep them open or whatever. And then tomorrow will be the last day of this, and then there's still 2 days left for the other funds of the second ad campaign to be released. Alright, thank you. You can see here that now that earned wallet for this campaign is $93. When I complete this, it will be 101. Again, you can see it's 92% completion on this ad campaign. So that's basically what you need to do, and just be patient. Alright, Thank you. Keep well. Bye bye.